Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gist and Facebook custom audiences to super target your Facebook ads and get greater success. So let me go into a little bit of background in this use case. This is a page from our website. It's the live chat software feature page. And we've recently added these little videos in the top right corner. And basically it's just you see it there, it's a 1 minute and 21 second video highlighting all that Gist live chat can do. So what we want to do is we want to target the people who've already watched this video and give them continuous content about our live chat feature on Facebook. So what I did was I created a custom event for people who have actually watched this video. And we're about to do something really cool inside of Gist workflows. So here we are inside the Facebook custom audience test workflow, and we're going to add a trigger. Our trigger isn't going to be that they watch the video for reasons that you'll see in just a minute. Our trigger is actually going to be that they visited the live chat page. So they're going to go to getgist.com/live chat software. So anyone who we know their email and they've been here, we can then target them. So what we're going to do now is add a delay, because we want to make sure to give people time to come back, watch that video, and not get hassled with the wrong type of ad. So we delay it for 7 days, and then we'll choose a decision. A decision is basically, it splits the path based on a set segment condition. And our condition is going to be that they performed an event. The event is going to be watched the live chat feature video. So these people have visited the page, and they have also clicked to watch our live chat feature video page, or our live chat feature video. So we're going to click done. And if they have, they're going to go down this yes column. And if they have not, they're going to go down the no column. So for the people who have yes, they've watched the video, it's going to be really easy. What we're going to do is we're going to add an action, and we're going to add them to a Facebook custom audience. So we're going to add them to test Gist. And essentially what you can do is set up this Facebook custom audience ad sequence to be something beyond just that short feature video. So we're going to send them white papers on live chat, on how to use live chat better for your support, better for your sales and marketing team. We're going to give them a longer video that shows them exactly what Gist has to offer, like a 10 or 15 minute video that's just covering live chat, just to find those people who are really interested in live chat and tell them more of what they already want to know. Now over here in the no column, these are people who have visited the live chat software page but have not watched the live chat software feature video. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add another delay of 7 days. But then right after, we're going to add them to a custom audience too. So right after the no, we're going to add them to another custom audience. Add to, this time we're going to do test Gist 2. So these individuals are going to get further ads about live chat, but these individuals are going to go into a Facebook ad custom audience where they actually just get shown the feature video because they haven't watched it yet. We want them to watch that short video and see if Gist is right for them. And we want to give them those 7 days to watch it. Now from here, we're going to add a goal, because our goal is, again, for them to watch the video. So we're actually just going to put watched live chat feature video. And then of course the conditions are going to be the exact same, that they watch the live chat feature video within the last 7 days. Going to hit next. And then we have a couple other questions to answer. Trigger when the goal is located. Choose if contacts are eligible to achieve goal based on their current position to relative goals position. So we want it to be below the contact's position to make sure that people don't get entered into it twice. And then choose what to do when the contracts arrive at this goal but do not yet meet the conditions. We're just going to go ahead and continue anyway. And we'll talk about that in a second. So here we go. They have not watched the video. They're added to an audience that shows them that video on their Facebook account. We wait 7 days, and then we ask if they achieve a goal. So when they actually hit the goal or not, we're going to move them. This is the great thing. You can remove from the Facebook audience that they're currently in, which is test Gist 2, and then we can also add them to our TestGIS account. So now they've seen this video. Maybe they've watched it, maybe they haven't, but at least we've shown it to them. And instead of just stopping advertising to them, we're just going to go ahead and move them from one to the other. So essentially, let me explain the path. They visited our live chat software page. They came there for a reason. They were maybe looking for a live chat solution. We waited 7 days, and then we asked the question, have they watched our live chat video that is on our page? If the answer is yes, we add them straight away to a Facebook custom audience that is going to give them more information about live chat, but not show them that live chat video that they've already watched. If they have not watched that live chat feature video, we're going to delay it a little bit, and we're going to send them to this ad account to where they can actually see that video in their Facebook feed and hopefully watch it. And we're going to set the goal for when they watch it, and then we remove them from the ad account that is showing them the short feature video and add them to the continuous advertising for live chat. And you can make this even more deep and even more granular. Like you can add whether or not a person has signed up for a trial. So if we have someone who has watched the trial video, or the feature video, we sent them continuous advertising over here, and then they sign up for a trial. Well, we can actually add a decision that they've actually signed up for a trial. I believe that would actually be a property. So the Stripe free trial active is true. So once they actually sign up for a trial, then we can remove them from this Facebook audience, and they will stop getting Facebook ads from us altogether, because now they're a trial user. We no longer need to advertise to them, at least in this capacity. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're excited about using Facebook custom audiences in your GIS dashboard.